Hello everyone, I am Visal. This is my dad, Mr. Khrieneilhou. We are from Nagaland. My father, he was having this back problem for the past five months and severe backache for the past 1 month. He has pain in the right groin and there was some loss of sensation in the sole of the foot. After that, we came to this hospital, BLK hospital, some 1 week back, and we came and met Dr. Puneet, and we were really happy that he has examined my father properly, and he have done a thorough checkup. And after doing all the investigation, it was concluded that he will be needing surgery, as it was to be done a little bit earlier. So he did his surgery 4 days back, and after the surgery today he is feeling much better. The severe backache is not there, but post-operatively, because of the wound, a little pain is there. But apart from that, the severe pain is not there, and because of the minimal access surgery, keyhole was done, so the recovery is much better than expected. And now he is walking. On the second day, he started walking, and now he's doing quite okay. And we're happy that we came to this hospital, and we are grateful for all the services that has been provided from the doctors, sir, to all the attendants, and for all the help that we have got. We are grateful even to our friend and staff Kanika for helping us out, and we hope that he'll get well soon, and hopefully not to come very often. He'll be getting well soon, I hope. Thank you.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.